Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video tutorial. Yay! In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this vintage art step by step using Procreate. By the way, I don't have or sell my own brushes. I'm just sharing and showcasing my techniques. So, before we start, we need the following. Step 1, we begin with working on the shadows. And then we add hatch strokes on the shadows just for texture effects. Step 2, we overlay the sketch using dry brush for bolder and thicker strokes. The last, we add colors using watercolor brushes. Then we apply white stroke using dry brush on her eyes, lips, nose tip, and her head crest to have highlights effect. I want to see your finished artwork. Please don't hesitate to tag me. I want to put it in my Facebook stories. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment below. And also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.